Hi, it's me, Sai, the DIY guy, and today is day 20 of the bathroom renovation.
Okay, so when tiling, you come to the edges and you don't have a complete tile. How do you tile that perfectly every time? I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the last tile right before the cut that you need. So this is the cut I need. You go to the last tile. You place another tile right on top of that tile. Exactly where you left off. Exactly on that tile. Now, you get another tile. And you place it up to your edge. Okay? Now, you may leave a little 1/4 of an inch at the edge for your grout line. Okay? So, then you get your pencil. Make sure everybody's straight. Trace that line. Okay, remove that top tile. And there's your cut. When you cut that, this piece will fit exactly right here. Okay? And that's the way you cut tile edges that are not complete full tiles. So this is the part that goes on the door at the bottom. It's called the saddle. Notch it out to go around this little notch right here. Now how you cut that notch is measure it. You take it to the wet saw and make a whole bunch of little lines just like I'm doing right there. You just got to keep making a bunch of little lines until you get to the edge. Cut them all out, and then you smooth it out until it's going to look like this side. That's just what I did. Okay? So that's how you cut your saddle. So you get a nice even cut on both edges of the tile. Just make a small or cut through. This is not my cut line. This is cut through one side, and then you continue to cut so that when your blade gets to the very end, you get a nice, even, smooth cut. Sometimes it breaks off when you cut it. Okay, so you get ready to tile the shower with the 3x6 Carrera white subway tiles. You're going to start the tile in this corner. You're going to make a mark on the wall. That's your 3-inch line. So you make the continuation of your level line. So we got the level line going all the way around for the first course. Okay, I got the first course in subway tiles. Now you have to be very careful when you do the first course. You got to get it nice and level because everything else is going to follow off of that first course. Okay, so the rest should go relatively quick.